Ladies and gentlemen, for the 19th annual Business and Derby. Tonight, thanks to our great Budweiser, Scott Equipment, Russian Auto Salvage, Extreme Outfitters, and Eagle Water Ticket Free. We want to go ahead and have a time to some of the motorsports we got lined up. This is a good bunch of talk that put together this demolition derby. The Arkansas State Championship is coming up 3 weeks from tonight. That's in Little Rock. With the Arkansas State Fair, Monster Trucks, the demolition derby, and a lot more. Then Halloween, the State Fair of Louisiana, this whole derby, Monster Trucks, the family of Gold Star Music is going to be a part of all that. And of course, tonight after the show, your admission to the demolition derby gets you into the fair in Midway. Hey, God, I think this is loud. Is this loud to you? It's too loud. On Eagle 163, we're going to start giving away each and every weekday in October a trip for 4. Every weekday to the beaches resort of your choice. That locations all around the Caribbean, Turks and Caicos, all around Jamaica. Lisa and I will be in Jamaica this week broadcasting from the beaches, and we're only going down there to make sure that it's good enough for you. But if you can come to that on your day like this, that might be the one you want to go to when you're with your trip. VIPs have even more chances for TakeOneGL.com. Our first team tonight, we've got 6 competitors. Tell me if you know any of these. Anybody get an after Jerry Cuddy? How about Becky Ford? Come on, ladies, Becky Ford. How about Ford Rochelle? You know him? He's got a pretty car. James Beard. He's working in the team. We've got Bobby Schultz out back getting ready. You know him? Of course, that's about Walter Fraser. You know, it's good that we can all get together here tonight. Anytime, Steve's going to make a Vortex Fair and Rodeo. When we know that so many of our brothers, sisters, sons, daughters are fighting across the world for us and our armed services, can we give a round of applause for each and every one of them? That's right. If you want to do the national anthem, I'd like to get everybody to stand, remove your hat, put your hands on your heart, sing along if you know the words, hum if you don't. Should have went to the O-line actor. You know, and then when you try to, and maybe it's just me, but when you try to sing along with the national anthem, and then somebody, adds all the really long notes and starts waiting, I can't keep up with it, it's confusing thing. Are you ready for the Dillon and Jersey? Round, are you ready? He's ready. We're going to get everybody in place. We're going to start rolling our cards in here.
Where you going?
What are you making?
Bro, what's it?
All right, y'all ready? Let's make some noise. Second and third. It's line number 11. Let's get for Gary Bentley. Line number 12, ladies, make some noise. It's taking forward. Oh, this is pretty good. That car right there, Pete. Four number 10 on the car number 13. Oh, this is like a clown car. There were 15 people behind us. And car number 14, this is James Beard. And car number 15, that's Andrew Jenkins, Rodney Jones. Well, that's car, you know what, and car number 16, Walter Gregory. We're going to get the line up. We're going to take our first over to Scotty. We're going to score. We're going to score tonight. Everybody got that very good. And we got that number, all right, let's move. Come on out, lady. Come on out there.
They're both home. The green one.
We got a line there, we pulled them to these lines, equipment operators too. We're gonna let them get these two cars apart.
The green one's on me.
And we're gonna carry it on. We'll get our competitors moved out, we'll get ready for heat number 2. In the fairground, with vendors and all. You can put that on the system. I think I like the way they have this one out. I saw what was their big concert in Demolition Derby for 19 years here in Fort Fair Rodeo. Round the Auto Salvage. DJ trying to take that away. You give them a call, that's Auto Salvage. You're trying to get them real ready for 160 much work. You got to straighten out there's a college drive. They can take care of anything you're trying to fix up. If you're on the line, you'll let your stop our website, KYGL.com. Become a VIP. As a matter of fact, I think tickets for tonight's event in the VIP was over 250 points. You get that each and every weekday just for listening to the Eagle once a day. Just trying to save their money, there's no point to the VIP at KYGL.com. Tonight should be Arkansas State shall stop over there now.
Got what?
Soon as we get these cars cleared out, but the air conditioning shut up a little bit. We're almost ready for heat under two, but we got time. In this next video, it looks like just about everybody's got a tank right now, except for John Brooks. You know, John has a Texas. He's coming up out of the ground. You know, we got the VIP passes that you can get out on the midway side. You can get these tickets and cover your visits and prayers and work out all the events here throughout the week, throughout the weekend. Unlimited rides and more, all that's available on the midway side. Just stop by the ticket office on the midway after the show. Yeah, if you're interested, I've got some bumpers for that. And I got some money to have left in that program out of it. That's why I'm doing the county equipment. For a great number of years now, thanks to Budweiser, we've been able to do demolition derby here, part of the 14th Fair Rodeo. County equipment, that number of years, they can help us with the equipment. Round the auto have a next move to our classes this year. We're glad to have them. And the boys are straight out there to do our college drive. And also have a broadcasting radio station. We've got Kicker 102.5. That's the best animal country to protect our town. Now we're only 109 places today to use it. And the best mix is mix 93 FM. We'll get our barriers back in place. Walter, you hear the cluster the siren, did it? I know that. You can have, how many years have you been Actually, he's been out here every year driving in this demolition. That's right, I remember thinking. There's no way he would ever hit that on purpose. Unless it was, waiting, right? That's what it was. Just trying to help. That's a good thing, it's just like any other sport, before they event, these competitors, they gotta get their game studies on, they get their minds right. But you're not gonna find a better bunch of folks. We've got lots of great stuff coming up soon in the Fourth State Fairgrounds Arena. A lot of events lined up for the fall months. Be sure to take a look at the calendar on the box office out front. A lot of events coming to Texarkana and tickets are available now. We're also to give away 60 trips before that 6-0 trips for other people to the beaches resort of their choice. We're doing that through our website, KYGL.com, and the radio station Eagle 163. VIP is an unfair advantage through the website. You'll have to log on to